The following news item shows a few views of the snow drifting around our residence at 187 Mudford Road, Yeovil, during the worst blizzards for 100 years. The date, February 1978. Many cars were abandoned, and some people trapped in the cars under 20-foot drifts. Westland announced over the television that the employees should not attempt to reach the factory unless within close walking distance. It was 3 days before Yeovil managed to clear the roads to outlying districts, and in some cases at least 14 days. Many sheep died, and helicopters were used to rescue people trapped in their homes and to ferry urgent medical cases to hospital. 4 weeks later, there were still pockets of snow on high ground, and some country roads still with single-line traffic. Their snowplow cleared a passage. These views are mainly in the back garden. The drift here is 6 foot deep in front of the greenhouse. As we pan left, you can see the wind, strong gale force winds, blowing the snow into even deeper drifts. There have been cases of people dying only a few yards from their homes as they attempted to get from abandoned cars. Next door's back window, iced up. The workshop roof, 6 to 8 inches of snow, 4-foot drift in the door. I couldn't get my shovel, which is in the shed, to dig the snow away. I eventually used a dustpan to clear away to get to the shed door and get my spade out. As I thought, it wasn't there. It was in fact behind the 6-foot drift in the shed. I eventually managed, with the aid of the dustpan again, at great personal risk, to get the shovel, the spade, from the garden shed and dig the caravan out.